So this is your supercharger.
Yes.
In bits.
Yeah, that's basically bottom half. Obviously inlet ports there. This is the actual blower rotor itself. So comes in through this end here.
Yeah.
In through the nose, which I'll show in a minute. Into here, up into the lid, and then blows back through these. These sit like on top here, the other way around. But
what are they? Just like
they're basically like the charge cooler. You know, like a little tiny radiator basically. Yeah. So as the air gets hot in here, it blows through there. They have water running through them, off through a pump to a little charge cooler radiator to basically cool it. It's a water cooled intercooler effectively. That's how it works.
But do they stay? I know you're putting a new charge cooler on the outside, but do the internal ones go away? No,
they stay. Basically all I'm doing, I'm fitting, you normally have like a radiator on the outside to cool that water, because obviously that gets hot, so you need to recool it down. I'm putting a bigger charge cooler radiator for them, but that is the actual one inside that does the work really. Little bypass valve inside, which is just how they control the boost. Lid, and this is the nose of the, basically that goes onto the front, and the throttle body goes onto here.
This is the bit you've been
this is 87mm standard. I've got 102mm throttle body coming for it, just to get a little bit more airflow into it. So I've basically had to port this out to 102mm, then just blend it all around here.
Could you just not buy one that was done?
You can send this to this place in America will do this like CNC ported, which are very nice, but it's a lot of money, and you've got to send it to America and wait and get it back, which will be, and then you get, you know, duty and
the
shipping.
Bill,
and it's just, you know, and I can do it myself. Okay, it's took me a good few hours to do it, but it's. So
you do the whole thing then? So you make this bigger, and then you have to.
Yeah, because if you look, that's the original throttle body. So if you look at the difference in size, you know, it's quite a difference. Hold that open. You know, it's well worth doing.
Why do you have to do the rest of it then?
Basically just because there's quite big lumps in that here, so if you get more flow in, I'm just sort of blending it into the rest of the nose. You can port the whole supercharger, but it means taking all the shafts and actual blower out. I mean, I haven't got one of the pullers to get it out.
No.
To be honest, for the level I'm going to, it's probably not really worth it.
But that was definitely worth doing because you're upgrading the throttle body.
Yes, yeah, because they're doing the throttle body. If you just bolt it on, it just hits it. It just comes up and hits it like a face.
No.
Wouldn't really gain me much. Whether it's actually necessary to make the part, I don't know. It's you know, it's something that's they do and reckon it works. So while it's like this. Obviously I've dropped the engine back out to do it. As it was explained earlier, we did all the rewiring. That's all the old conduit, and I've been all through the wiring, so that's all now redone.
Does it look like a poo?
That's just obviously and the intake ports and all the noise. And this is the direct injection, all the injectors and fuel rails and everything underneath here. So if we can get the supercharger back together today, hopefully this can go back in.
Did you look at changing the lid on it?
I spoke to the guys in the States, and it's a nitrous express one, which has provisions for nitrous or water injection, but they said it makes no difference to power at all.
Is there space to go bigger?
Not really, so not bothering. You know, they're quite a few. You know, I think they're $600, so there's just no point.
Yeah.
Even if you only made like 10 or 20 horse, it's marginal whether it's worth it really for the money. So I haven't got a lot of space either. Really.
And also, you don't need it to be stupid powerful. You've been done that once, haven't you?
You know, yeah, and it's even in the BM, it was bonkers fast.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, even though it didn't rev out as well as it should, because you know it wasn't mapped properly in that, but it was, you know, it was quite impressive. So I've got shorter gear in, close ratio gearbox, a little bit less weight, free flowing exhaust, different, you know, it should make.
Should be.
And I've got the small pulley, which is get the box open. Basically, that's the replacement pulley.
It's posh.
Yeah, titanium bolts. But these were a pain to. You have to press. I had to cut the old one off. I couldn't. It was actually bending the pulley trying to pull it off. So you push the new hub on, and then you can actually unbolt this and change if you want to go back to standard size. Or I think they're doing a smaller one, which I won't go to. That's all. You know, it's as far as I want to go really. That just goes back onto the shaft onto there.
Will it wind more now?
I hope so, because it was just like that.
Like the one of that 370Z.
Yeah. I don't know.
That was
What was that noise?
My supercharger. That's what the sound they make, isn't it?
It's pretty accurate, to be honest.
So. Yeah, enough of that now, please.
You're sick of that noise already, aren't you?
Yes, very much so. Hopefully it should all work quite well, is the plan. And a little bit more boost and
Lovely.
back. You can go back in and crack on then.
Redo a supercharger impression for me.
No.
Go on.
No.
Go on.
No.
Yeah, it's never gonna happen.
You
Look
do.
at that face.
No.
Can you do one?
Nah, shut up.
Never happening.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.